Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to audit your YouTube channel using online free tool. Here you can go and open your YouTube channel. Okay, simply you can go and click on top right corner. Then you can find out your channel here. Now here I can search for Tube Ranker. Then here you can open this website tuberanker.com and you can easily use different online and useful tools that can help you increase your YouTube videos ranking, and you can easily improve your YouTube channel SEO. Now I can copy my YouTube channel link. We can also use this one, username, and then scroll down, click on channel audit. This one is the second number. Okay, here you can add channel link. You can also add a username. Simply let me remove this one and click on audit button, and it will give you a complete report about your channel. Okay, it has given page total score 40 out of 100, and it has suggested 6 recommendations. So these are the best videos that are getting views. Okay, now let me scroll up. These are the channel subscribers, video views, comments and likes, and these are the total number of videos. In this way you can easily audit your YouTube channel free of cost.